Headache. Headache. A headache means pain or discomfort in the head. It can happen because of stress, tiredness, lack of sleep, or illness. For example, I am having a headache.
Cough. Cough.
A cough is when air suddenly comes out of your mouth with a sound. It usually happens when your throat is irritated or when you have a cold. For example, I keep coughing because my throat feels irritated. Sneezing. Sneezing. A sneeze is when air suddenly comes out of your nose and mouth. It usually happens because of dust, allergies, or a cold. For example, I keep sneezing because of the dust. Brain fog. Brain fog. Brain fog means your mind feels unclear or confused. It's hard to think, focus, or remember things clearly. For example, I feel mentally foggy and unable to concentrate on my work today. Runny nose. Runny nose. A runny nose means liquid or mucus is coming out of your nose. It usually happens because of a cold, allergies, or flu. For example, I am having a runny nose because of the cold. Nausea. Nausea. Nausea means you feel like you want to vomit. It can happen because of sickness, food, or motion. For example, I am feeling nauseous after eating too much. Vomiting. Vomiting. Vomiting means throwing up the food from your stomach through your mouth. It usually happens when you are sick, have eaten something bad, or feel very nauseous. For example, I am vomiting because I ate spoiled food. Diarrhea. Diarrhea. Diarrhea means having very loose or watery poop. It can happen because of stomach infection, food, or sickness. For example, I am having diarrhea after eating some bad food. Double vision. Double vision. Double vision means you see two images of the same thing at the same time. It can happen when your eyes are tired or because of an eye problem. For example, I am seeing double when I try to read the board. Swollen eyelids. Swollen eyelids. Swollen eyelids means the skin around your eyes is puffy or bigger than usual. It can happen because of allergies, infection, or tiredness. For example, my eyelids look swollen after I woke up. Red eyes. Red eyes. Red eyes mean the white part of your eyes looks red. It can happen because of tiredness, allergies, infection, or irritation. For example, my eyes are red and irritated after looking at the computer for a long time. Eye floaters. Eye floaters. Eye floaters are tiny shapes or dots that move in your vision. They usually appear when looking at bright light and are common as you get older. For example, I am seeing small floating dots in my vision while looking at the sky. Face flushing. Face flushing. Face flushing means your face suddenly turns red. It can happen because of heat, embarrassment, exercise, or emotions. For example, I am experiencing sudden face flushing when I speak in front of a large group. Dizziness or vertigo. Dizziness or vertigo. Dizziness or vertigo means you feel unsteady or that the world is spinning around you. It can happen because of low blood pressure, inner ear problems, or illness. For example, I feel like the room is spinning around me when I stand up too quickly. Sour taste. Sour taste. A sour taste in the mouth means your mouth feels like it has a tangy or acidic flavor. It can happen because of stomach problems, acid reflux, or certain foods. For example, I have a sour taste in my mouth after eating too much citrus fruit. Ringing in the ears. Ringing in the ears. Hearing a ringing sound in your ears means you hear noise like buzzing, hissing, or ringing that isn't really there. It can happen because of loud sounds, ear infections, or stress. For example, I hear a ringing sound in my ears after listening to loud music. Tingling sensation. Tingling sensation. A tingling sensation means you feel small prickling or pins and needles in your skin. It often happens when a nerve is under pressure or when blood flow changes. For example, I am feeling a tingling sensation in my hands after holding my phone for a long time. Numbness in fingers. Numbness in fingers. Numbness means a part of your body loses feeling. When your fingers are numb, they may feel weak, cold, or like you cannot feel touch properly. For example, I am feeling numbness in my fingers after sleeping on my hand for a long time. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite. Loss of appetite means you do not feel hungry and you do not want to eat food, even when it is mealtime. For example, I have lost my appetite because I have a fever and I do not feel like eating anything. Neck pain. Neck pain. Neck pain means you feel pain or stiffness in your neck. It can make it difficult to move your head from side to side. For example, I am having neck pain after working on my laptop for many hours. Ear pain. Ear pain. Ear pain means you feel pain or discomfort inside or around your ear. It can happen because of infection, cold, or pressure in the ear. For example, I am having ear pain after getting water in my ear while swimming.